about the time we first met. I don't know what is good enough, 'cause baby, little by little you wear me down. Little by little my actions will be forgiven. I wish I could be sorry for the things that caused you harm, but nothing I can say or do will make it come undone. So even though I hate the thought of leaving you, I hope you come to terms and have it in your heart to end it all. You're better off alone. Sincerely yours. Sincerely yours. I still haven't heard anything from you. You say love is a fool, and so I am too. I really don't know if it's good enough, 'cause baby, little by little you wear me down.
Outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what?
Well, cars?
Yes, if you do not be careful, you will get hit by a car and fall. So you have to be careful. It's okay. Mommy's just gonna put on some very light makeup because I'm feeling tired. Does mommy look tired? Do I look tired? Ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Let's go.
Some might say that I'm a loner,
It's hot in here, so just be careful, okay?
but I just can't be. I am my love's only owner, or at least
Mommy needs them so she can see and drive, because I don't want us to get hurt. Thank you. I love you. Look at that. Poor Kai. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye. What's up, party people? If you've been keeping up with my channel, then you know that I started a new job recently, working hybrid instead of the usual work from home. All my clothes are appropriate for the most part, but not really fitting to a professional workplace. My job when we're in person is business casual. So I have pretty much a wide range to work with. I just need to go get a few things because it can really take up a whole extra 30 minutes to get ready if you have no idea what you're gonna wear, simply because you don't have enough options. So I'm gonna go get some more options, and we're gonna keep it real cheap.
Yeah, man, I remember being so naive when life was good, weather and palm trees. Back in the day, you were everything I need. But then along came a time when you crushed my dreams. Oh yeah, you played me like a fool when you made me believe that the line between love wasn't thick enough to read. Oh yeah, you see we in despair, crime everywhere. You're selling false hope cause you just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. You just don't. Still selling false hope cause you just don't care. House, feel me. If we talking to a uniform, who the real? You know we in the deep south, so let's keep it real. This is what they used to mob, lynch, drag, and kill. I never made the party cause I felt the paper bags. Gotta get this money cause you know I never had it. I'm feeling like Badu, the way I carry my baggage. This heavy load on my shoulders, my territory.
Wow.
Yeah, good. Is it fun with it? Put your face on that mirror. It's dirty. Don't put your face on the mirror, Kai. Don't put your face on the mirror because it's very dirty. It's very dirty. Don't hit the mirror or I will close the door. Stop it. No, not yet. You sit down and wait. This is wonderful. So with thrift shopping, I use a 3-part process. I start off by browsing the store for any and everything that interests me. Some of the items might not be perfectly my size, but I pick up anything that is unblemished, decent looking, and catches my eye. You are so silly. But to narrow things down just a bit, I typically come to the thrift shop with a mission for what I need in particular. Today's mission is work tops. The second part of my process is to try on everything and create a no pile. Anything that is damaged, doesn't have the perfect fit, or that I just changed my mind on, I'll put that back. And then part 3 is to read through the rest of the items and see what is an absolute yes, I cannot live without this, and what is just a, hey, this is kind of cute, and if I have enough money for it, I'll get it in the end. That was a successful trip to Goodwill, y'all. It's crazy. Normally, when I start shopping at Goodwill or any thrift store for that matter, I'll be like, nope, they don't got anything in here. They didn't have anything in the first couple of aisles. You know, they don't have anything in here for me. Yes, Malachi? Yes, you can have ice cream when we go home.
May you always find your way to higher ground.
May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough.
You okay? Okay. I told you it's hot.
Hot,
Yes.
hot, hot, hot.
I got you. Just keep your hands away from the seatbelt. Mommy will buckle you in. You'll be all good. There you go. Good?